There are tiny frogs that live in these holes. Sometimes you can see their little eyes sticking out at you.
Whip scorpion.
Yeah.
Small one. Oh yeah, this is my favorite part of the journey. Huh?
Yeah.
The scorpions on the other end and
a big drop.
Yeah. How can I film this? There's a big drop down, and then the wall is full of scorpions. So this is what Rena does in the night time here in Tobago.
Do you want me to film you coming towards it? Are you alright?
Actually, yeah. That's kind of a...
Yeah.
You can just go maybe a little bit more far, so...
Why don't you take off your light and use my light?
So, trust the way.
Here she goes. No lights.
No lights. There is a huge drop
30-foot drop off to the right. With scorpions to the left. And here she comes.
So yeah, I'm trying here in the darkness to find the way in the middle of the rainforest from the drop to scorpions. So don't lean to the wall, but stay close to the wall. Yep, challenging. Woohoo! And then same time comes the law, like don't look down, so you don't feel dizzy. Yeah, this is really fun. This is what the disco rainforest makes you do. And you don't fall behind then, you remember where you're walking. You know the path. Does it look that you actually can film it?
Yeah, I'm getting a bit of a dark spot in front of your face though. I think it's a shadow of something.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, coming down
there we go.
Between the drop and between the scorpions. And hoping that the mud doesn't slide.
And the guide can go over the cliff because he's going backward. So I would leave this.
If I don't hear the guide in sound, so he's overboard. Aye.
There's a possibility of losing the guide now in the middle of the rainforest.
I kind of think that 20-30 years of guiding here, you know the steps. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Jumped off.
Mm-hmm.
You know? Armadillo.
Oh, wow.
You got it?